Uni, weekend, come you know, Fendi out, she like, she pulling in the rope.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Passion, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some candles that you need to have in your collection to make your house smell clean, crisp, and fresh. I love candles, like I am candle obsessed, so I will be showing you guys the candles in my collection that I like to burn. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. So the first candle that I'm going to be showing you guys is Turquoise Water from Bath & Body Works. Y'all, I'm new to this scent, so I went to Bath & Body Works maybe last week and I picked up some new candles, and this was my first time really noticing this scent, and so I decided to pick it up because it reminds me of like water and like rain. It gives me that kind of fresh scent and I really like it. So I can definitely smell the bergamot and the musk in it, and to me it gives it a slightly masculine scent that I really like. If you guys have watched any of my other how to make your house smell good videos, then you know that I am a fan of masculine fragrances. So I really like masculine scents in my home. I won't say that this one is like super masculine, but it does have like a slight masculine, like, you know, like a little ting in it, and it elevates the scent in my opinion. So it smells clean and fresh, but it smells like grown and sexy at the same time. Y'all know what I'm saying? I think this will go really, really well in the bathroom. I burn this in my bathroom a lot because it just reminds me of like rain and like a shower. I really like this scent. So the next fragrance that I picked up is this Laundry Day scented candle. This candle smells so good. I don't get laundry from this when I smell this. It doesn't really remind me of laundry, but it does smell really, really clean, and it does smell really fresh, and it does remind me of like, well, I guess it does kind of remind me of like laundry detergent, but it doesn't really smell like fresh, clean out of the dryer laundry. I can definitely smell the essential oils in it. Like I can smell the lavender, I can smell the eucalyptus in this. I really like this. When I burn it, it just makes my place smell, I guess it kind of, now that I think about it, it does make my apartment smell as if I've been washing clothes. Huh, okay. So I guess that's the vibe. It makes your place smell as if like you're washing clothes. Because it doesn't smell, like I mentioned earlier, it doesn't smell like fresh laundry out of the dryer, but it does smell like a laundry day. Okay, that's clever, Bath & Body Works. I got it. It does smell like laundry day. It's like clean linen but grown up, you know? So if clean linen was an adult, this is what it would smell like. Definitely a clean, fresh scent to have your house smelling like laundry day. So the next candle that I'm going to be showing you guys is from DW Home, and it is the Fresh Linen Breeze candle. You guys, this candle smells so good. So like I was speaking about the last candle and I was saying it reminds me of a laundry day, but it doesn't quite smell like fresh, clean laundry straight out of the dryer. This candle does. So this candle smells like clean cotton. It smells like clean linen. It smells super fresh. It smells super, super crisp. Really, really like this fragrance. But apparently when I was Googling it, because I wanted to know the notes that were in it, because I feel like I smell like lavender, but I also smell cotton in it as well. So I Googled it to see if I could find the notes. But apparently this is like a very rare candle to have. I got this from Marshall's. It was $7.99, but I saw some people selling this candle online for like $30. So I guess DW Home doesn't make this scent anymore. I'm not really sure. The throw of this candle is very, very light. It does not have a throw like Bath & Body Works candles. You know, you light a Bath & Body Works candles, you're gonna smell it all over the house. This has a very light throw. I burn this in like my bedroom because it's smaller, so I think this would be a good candle to burn like at work, in your office, or in your bedroom, or even in your bathroom, or even, you know, if you have a walk-in closet. I think this would be a nice candle to kind of sit in there and burn a little bit. In my opinion, this is a very feminine scent. It's clean linen, but very feminine, very girly. I really, really like this. This has easily become one of my favorites from DW Home. I like this, and if I'm ever able to find it again, I will definitely pick it up and I will buy it because it smells that good, but it's a rare candle, I guess. So speaking about fresh, clean linen, I want to show you guys this candle that I have from Nest Candles. You guys, I think this might be the freshest candle that I have ever smelled in my entire life. This candle smells so clean. and it is so fresh. Like, the notes of this candle work so well together, y'all. I love this candle. It smells so good, and I can smell it even when I'm not burning it. So even if I have it just sitting out in the living room or sitting in my bedroom or in my bathroom or wherever I might place it, it just ignites the room with such a clean and fresh aroma. It smells super crisp. This is definitely one of my favorite candles. Nest candles are a little bit pricey. So this candle was $50. It is 8.1 ounces. So for those of you who know a lot about candles, I don't know if $50 is a good price for that size. Like, I don't really know, but I do know that this is considered a luxury candle. So $50 for a luxury candle, I feel, is not that bad, considering I paid like over $100 for my Tom Ford candle. I really like this candle, you guys. It smells so good, but I think my wick is flooded because it keeps tunneling. And I don't know if y'all can see, but it keeps tunneling. And then I think the wick is flooded on top of that. So I'm gonna have to get a candle warmer to sit this on to warm it up so that I can still enjoy this candle. And I know it's a bit of a splurge. $50 is a lot of money for a candle. I am totally aware of that. But trust me when I say this scent payoff is worth the $50. It's so good, y'all. I promise. It's so good. And last but not least, the next candle that I want to show you guys from my fresh, clean, crisp collection is the Calming Waves from DW Home. This candle right here is another candle that reminds me of water. It reminds me of rain. It reminds me of just that kind of clean. I won't say this is necessarily like a super fresh candle, but it's definitely a clean smelling scent. It does, like I mentioned, remind me of just clean water, and it does definitely remind me of like a nice shower or something like that. I really like this candle. This is a very heavy candle. Just so, like, I'm holding it, but my wrist is tired. I definitely think that this candle is one that you will have to burn in a smaller area, because DW Home, for whatever reason, although this says that it's richly scented, I will say DW Home, their candles are very light. They do not have a super strong throw. They're not like heavily fragranced. So this is a candle that will work well in a bedroom. It will work well in a bathroom, in a smaller space, because it does not put off that large of a throw. But I think it smells really good. The notes in this candle work very well together. It does smell very airy, and it smells just very clean, and it does remind me of water for sure. I really like this candle. I just wish it had a stronger throw. That's the only thing I will say about DW candles. I just wish that they had stronger throws, but they smell so good, y'all. They're definitely one of my favorite candle makers. So that is the end of this video. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite clean, fresh, crisp, airy candles are. So if you want to see more candle videos from me, comment down below and let me know what scents you're interested in seeing me talk about. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.